going on, guys? It's your boy JP here. I'm about to replace the headlights on this 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. Right now it's got the ugly yellow lights, so I'm gonna be replacing them with a 6000K LED headlights. Let's get to it. Alright, so as you guys can see right now, yellow lights doesn't look that great. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cap out of here. There's the cap right there. Now in there is where you'll be able to see the bulb we're gonna be replacing. I want to see if I can get this in there and kind of. All right, now you guys see that? It's like a level, like a flat piece. That piece you gotta turn counterclockwise, and it comes right out. Look, comes right out. All right. Now once I take this piece out of there, this light bulb out of there, I'm going to be replacing it with this. This again is a 6000K LED. Should give me a nice bright white light. Alright, so this right here, guys, all we got to do now is pull this out. There it is. Now I'm gonna be replacing it with the new one. The new one's just gonna snap back in there. That's it. Now that that's in there, we'll go ahead and put the bulb back in its place. Alright, guys, and there it is. Look at the difference. Nice and white compared to the other side that is yellow. And now all I gotta do is the same thing on the other side, and then this vehicle is all set, at least with the headlights. After, I'll work on the fog lights to match the color. I'll do a video on that after. If you guys like it, give it a like. Alright, and there it is. That's how it looks now with the white lights. Looks pretty cool. If you guys like my videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.